Good evening. I'm not a great speaker, I'm a person behind the screen. Anyway, my colleagues, they have said what exactly is Channel U. It's a channel created by you, created for you. Please carry it in your heart, promote it. Nothing much I can say. Thanks for coming. God bless you all.
Okay,
Questions,
we
concerns?
shall have a question and answer session. Yeah, so I'll open up the floor. Ensonga ye badde gamba Azam sports twamuvaamu. Njagala okutegeeza nti Azam is still very committed to sports. And if you can see from our tagline, we say entertainment for everybody. And entertainment for everybody means we are taking to the market, or we bring to our subscribers content of different genres. Imagine sports, music, news, cartoons, and so much more. So I want to reassure you that we still committed to sports. However, currently we cannot engage in the Ugandan football because the contract today sits with someone else. Your second issue was on Channel U being live. I want to tell everyone tonight that Channel U is live on Azam TV, channel 362. On your decoder, go to regional channels, you'll find it there. So, ensure you don't miss a chance to carry something home. Someone asked about what is there for the people that don't have Azam that are here. You have only tried to open what was still in the box, but since you have tickled me, I'll unveil it. We have a very special Channel U offer tonight that will go out to the artists, the film producers, and all Channel U lovers. And we're saying for as low as 225,000 shillings, you'll get yourself a decoder with 1 year subscription. 225,000 Uganda shillings. You'll carry home a full kit of Azam with 1 year subscription.
Can you be emphasizing this is for...
Yeah, this offer, like we said, it's a Channel U offer, and it's not for everybody. It is for people in the entertainment industry. We're talking artists, we're talking film producers, we're talking media houses, the lovers of entertainment, and people that want to push the Ugandan story, the East African story out. This is the offer that we have for you. The gentleman over there was asking about the content. Like we said earlier, Channel U is for you. Whatever you have, be it comedy, any series, bring it to our attention. We shall review it. And if it's TV worthy, you have a platform. We are not segregating or looking at only the high-end artists or the renowned film producers. We are open. Our eyes are looking at the content and not the characters. Upcoming artists, you have a platform. We shall play your music. Even film producers whose production houses are not known, this is your home. We shall always push to see that your content is aired. Record TV, you asked about music. I think I already responded to that. I said, Azam TV, our tagline is entertainment for everybody. By bringing Channel U on board, it doesn't mean necessarily that we have declined our commitment to sports. We have a lot of sports content on our platform with very premium league tournaments that we are showing live matches, like the FA Cup, Carabao Cup. All this is live on Azam TV platform. So this is Channel U is only to reaffirm our commitment to meeting the demands of every household. Any other questions?
I want to ask the why question. Why now? Why you channel now in Uganda? We need to know why. Then how? The how question. How are you going to execute? Because we've seen so many channels come up and tell us everything you've said, but the execution bit doesn't come through. So we want to know how Azam TV and the management is going to be able to execute the how bit. Then lastly, you've mentioned about entertainment for all. Just from observation, because I'm on an online blogger, I've just seen hip hop artists around. I haven't seen Chiwewa, the likes of Sebata, the likes of Okavia. Ooh, bro, we need to know where those guys fall, because it's entertainment for everybody. We don't need, to be divided, Yeah, thanks. I'm coming back in Kiswahili because I need to represent my friends from Kenya, Tanzania, so I'll be back.
Okay, did you say BTM TV? Why now? I think the time is right. Yeah. We've been in the kitchen for the last 2 years. There's so many TVs in this market. But at Azam TV, we don't just bump into things. When we choose to strike, we strike at the right moment. Today, you know that the Ugandan population sits with 70%, more than 70% below the age of 30. These are youth, and this is the kind of content that resonates with them. Music, reality TV shows, comedy. So that answers your why now. About execution, like I said, right now I can tell you, we're having a problem of content. We have too much content, but the time is not even enough for us to put everything that we have. So execution should not be a worry. We have been here, and we are still here. Channel U is going to be something to resonate with in East Africa. Yes, you asked about the other artists. This shows that you don't have an Azam decoder. But if you've been following our programming, we play all music, even if today present, not all the artists are here. I'm sure you know how big the music industry is. We cannot have all of them here. A few have been able to come, and others are still on the way here. So, I want to comfort you that we will cater for each and every musician in this country. I thank you.
All right, thank you. I'm Wycliffe.
We're giving 70% apportionment for Ugandan content. The 30% is East African. So if you look at our music, for every 5 songs, 3 will come from Uganda. And then we'll share the rest with Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, and recently South Sudan.
Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
I'm Big D. Most of them call me Big Daddy from Delta TV. And
Watch TV?
Big
what I'd like to know, I would just like more clarification about the EU application, is usage and accessibility.
U application, did you mean the U channel on our Azam TV mobile app? Big Daddy. Yeah. Your question was not clear.
No, I just wanted to know more about the EU application because you talked about the EU application. That we are being the application. So I'd like to know more clarification
Okay.
about it.
Having
Is
all the
usage.
channels that can be
Okay.
viewed. All of
To
them.
clarify on Big Daddy's query, Azam TV is the only pay TV today that has taken the STB experience to
And they cannot yet pay.
mobile devices.
I think we can talk about that.
If you have an active subscription on any Azam decoder, you can access your package that you have subscribed for on the decoder on your phone. So if you have channel U on your package on the Azam decoder, you will still enjoy it at the comfort of wherever you'll be on your phone or tablet. And this is available both for Android OS users and the iOS users.
Thank you. My name is Gerard. Work with Delta TV. My question is about the package for the talented people. But say for someone to access this channel, UTV, Azam TV, has to pay subscription fee. Now, in turn, where does these people who are there sweating for this product cottage going to get in turn?
Sorry?
Sorry?
In terms of monetary, am I not clear?
Can you say that again? How are they going to benefit like artists and people who are producing
These
content?
artists, by say, comedians, who are going to put their content on that channel.
Talking about if you're
Now,
going to pay them.
for you are going to be getting something out from your customers. Then in return, the artists, where they get from?
Okay. When it comes to content, there are different commercial arrangements, which I would not say it's a one-size-fits-all. This is about negotiations. There is content that we are generating from in-house, which we are not. It's not that we're just airing, but other people are bringing. There's content that is in-house generated. There's content that has been brought to us by third parties, for which we have individual agreements on how to best balance our relationship. Yeah.
Hello members. Nze bamutakiwa kenyera kudda mu Luganda. Oluzungu lutawanya abantu wano.
What is this saying?
He wants to use Uganda. He wants to use Uganda.
Wamma nze kyembuuza
You can also use Swahili.
nze wano Uganda. Ekibuuzo kyange kiri nti Azam TV eyo nange nagyagalako edda. Paka kati weetuuse nga tulina okugibeerako kwagala oba butayagala kuba kati channel U yaffe nga bwodda bukinyonnyola. Kati nga ekibuuzo kiri nti waliwo entegeka yonna okusala kasente ako kempulira oba kenziza empulira akali ku Azam nga yo decoder. Kuba kati abantu bamu downtown eyo ffe gye tuva tebasobola kaafodinga ate nga singa kabadde kali kasseeko wansi nefi y'omwezi ogwo nayo nekkako.
You're most welcome. We have our Deputy CEO, Mr. Jacob.
Hello.
You're most welcome. We have our General Manager, Mr. Kalikwan. You are most welcome. We have our Head of Finance, Mr. Angie. You are most welcome. We have our Head of the Channel U itself, Isaac. You are welcome.
Oh, Isaac is getting a lot of applause.
And we'll move right here. Our special guests. We have artists. I can't mention by name, but do you mind? Do you mind?
Saying your name?
Do you mind saying your name?
The myth, the man.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is The Myth. Yeah, I just came to support this glorious occasion.
Group Commercial Director, our Financial Controller, the artist here present, the film producers, the agencies, Fireworks, Millennials, and the others here present. We're excited. The media, in your respective capacities, I must say, at Azam TV, we are very delighted and very grateful to see that we called you here today to the grand opening of Channel U. It is very, very humbling, such an evening. I'm sure this is going to be a day to remember for all of us. Why Channel U? Everyone has been asking, what is U? Uganda, untapped and upcoming, what is this U? Shiba has tried to give you a glimpse of what is going to be shown on this channel. At U, we are saying this is a place for everybody. We're talking movies, music. This is your home. Yeah, artists. You know what happens in the industry. It is difficult for artists to have even their music play on the various fora. But at Channel U, we are saying this is home. The myth and many of you that are here present, we want to sell the Ugandan story, the East African story, to the rest of the world. Yeah, let us push this through music, through our films, yeah, so that to our dear subscribers, it is not just Azam, the Sub-Saharan pay TV, but Azam as something that is localized for everyone to enjoy with content that resonates with what happens in their day-to-day life. Tonight, we shall be premiering the first of its kind telenovelas dubbed in Luganda. I'm sure everyone is very conversant with VJ jingles, but we want to bring to the market something different, something that everyone can understand, not just a story being told to you by someone else. So tonight at 8 p.m., I'm sure if you're here and you don't have an Azam TV decoder in your house, make sure you carry, as you leave the gate this evening, take with yourself a kit so that you enjoy and experience the U moments. Entertainment, I would say we are redefining entertainment on Channel U. Music, comedy, reality shows, gossip shows, our local dramas. This is something that everyone from tonight should look forward to enjoy and make Channel U a brand that every Ugandan should associate with. We have not stopped at just having it on the decoder. We have extended the Channel U experience to our Azam TV app. We have a mobile app and it's free of charge for as long as you have an active subscription on our Azam platform. You can watch Channel U live on your phone in the comfort of either your car, or if you're on boda, yeah, you'll not miss anything. Even when you're on the move, you'll be able to catch Channel U on your phones and other smart gadgets. For the artists and film producers, we have put a special desk for you here. Any content that you have with you, you'll be bringing it to our attention so that we can review it, and if it's TV worthy, we shall air it. Channel U is regulated by UCC and will always abide by the minimum broadcasting standards. So artists here present and film producers, let's ensure that we produce content that is TV worthy and meets the standards of the region. Like I said, we are trying to extend the Ugandan story, the East African story to the rest of the world. So I'm sure on Channel U, this will be better told by everyone. With those few remarks, I wish you all the best as we push Channel U to the next level. I thank you all.
Rina Momedali, and I lead the commercial and marketing division for Azam Media across East and Sub-Saharan Africa. So it has been a really humbling experience and moment to be here today in the launch of this new baby for us, especially for our business here in Uganda. And as very well put by Dennis and Shiva, that this is not only for our esteemed customers, viewers in Uganda, but this is an opportunity for us as Azam Media to showcase Uganda outside Uganda. We want to take your content, your music, your talent, carry it across not only Africa, not only East Africa, but Sub-Saharan Africa. So as you are aware, we are not only present in Uganda, but also in Tanzania, Kenya, Rwanda, Burundi, Malawi, and we have further plans for expansion in other African countries. So it gives me great pleasure to be here, to be part of this launch, and great confidence that we will support the Ugandan talent, the artist, and also use this platform to showcase the talent that we have outside Uganda in other African countries to you guys here in your language. So our motto has always been that despite being a sub-Saharan East African company, we still cater for the needs and interests of our viewers in the individual regions. So in response to that, we have delivered the request, the demand of our viewers here in Uganda via Channel U, and we hope that we will continue to not only meet but exceed our viewers' expectations and provide them the best entertainment experience ever. So please join me tonight with my colleagues here in watching the first premiere of Beautiful Strangers, the first ever dub content in Luganda, as explained by Dennis, that we have spent quite a bit of time really trying to see how best we could bring the high-rated, the most famous telenovelas from across the globe closer to the homes, to the families, and to the entertainment experience of the Ugandans via their local languages. So this is our very unique selling point for this channel, and we would wish for every Ugandan to really experience this content. So I welcome you all. If you're not an Azam TV subscriber yet, please make sure you go with one of our startup gifts today. Thank you.
Thank you.